Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're making Christmas crack, something that I hadn't heard of until recently, but it looks pretty easy, so we'll give it a try. We're going to start by laying out the pretzels onto a lined baking sheet and trying to make them all sort of work together in a cohesive way, so we're not having too many gaps for the caramel to go through and just hit the parchment. Next, in a pot, we're going to melt together 125 grams of salted butter that's been cubed and 1 lightly packed cup of brown sugar. When the brown sugar and butter mixture is starting to bubble, it is now time to pour over the pretzels. And this is where you laying out the pretzels meticulously turns bad, because the caramel is going to make them float away, and you're going to have to try and rectify the situation. I know that as well as pretzels, some other people are using, if you're Australian, saladas or saltines if you're in America. So use something that you think may not float away. Still, it's going to be an interesting texture when it's all solid. Now that there's some order between the pretzels and the caramel, we're going to put it in a preheated oven that's been heated to 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes or until you can see the caramel boiling. Then we'll leave it to cool for a couple of hours. Now that the bottom layer is solidified and cooled, we are now going to put a chocolate layer on. So we're going to melt some chocolate in the microwave at 30-second bursts until it's nice and smooth. Then we're going to put the layer across and use either an offset spatula or a knife to make it nice and smooth. Once you have a nice smooth layer of chocolate, you can cover it in sprinkles or M&Ms or Smarties, any sort of edible decoration that's going to be fun to look at. Now let it cool for a couple of hours before cutting up. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I really enjoyed making it. It is a really simple Christmas dessert. Let me know in the comments below if you've tried it before, or are you going to try making it, and what variations you do of it. Thanks for watching.